Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple basket or bowl. The basket you can crochet in one color like this or in more colors like this one. The basket you can use like a decoration for Easter, and crochet pattern for these bunnies and egg can you find in descriptions. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. I will crochet the basket with the macrame yarn because it is strong and the basket holds its shape even without starching. We need matching crochet hook. I use 4mm, scissors and sewing needle. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round 6 puff stitches. Pull yarn over through the ring, pull yarn and pull. One, second time the same, 2, and last time. Now I have 7 loops on the hook. Now pull yarn and through all 7 loops and chain 1. Next time yarn over, pull yarn and pull. 1, 2 and 3. Pull yarn and through all loops and chain 1. We need 6 puff stitches. Last time chain 1. Now pull this yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Second round I start here between the first and last puff stitch, pull yarn over and 1, 2 and 3 through all loops and chain 1. And I crochet between every 2 puff stitches. I crochet 2 puff stitches. Chain 1 and one more time in the same place. And again between next 2 puff stitches I crochet 2 puff stitches and repeat to the end of round. And the last puff stitch, chain 1 and finish round with the slip stitch. Now I have 12 puff stitches. Round 3 I crochet again here the first puff stitch and 3, chain 1, and here between next 2 puff stitches I crochet 2 half double crochet. And 2, chain 1, and again between next two puff stitches I crochet 2 puff stitches. Chain 1 and the second, chain 1, and again here 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and again 2 puff stitches, 2 half double crochet, and this repeat to the end of round. Finish round with the slip stitch. Round 4, again here I crochet first puff stitch, chain 1, and here I crochet 3 half double crochet. Here in this hole, the first, between next 2 half double crochet, here in the middle I crochet 1 half double crochet, and here in this hole the last half double crochet, chain 1, and again between next 2 puff stitches I crochet 2 puff stitches, chain 1, and one more time, chain 1, and again 3 half double crochet, the first, the second, in the middle, and the last, chain 1, and this repeat to the end of round. Finish round with the slip stitch, and now looks like this. Round number 5, puff stitch in the first stitch. Every round I start and finish with the puff stitch. Here I crochet 4 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 4, chain 1, and again between next two puff stitches I crochet 2 puff stitches, and so forth. Next round here I will crochet 5 half double crochet, next round 6, and you can crochet so many rounds as you want because this pattern expands evenly. And then I will show you how you can change the color and finishing the work. I crocheted a few rounds, and now look the basket or bowl like this. And the last round I will crochet with another color. Here is my last puff stitch, last chain stitch. Now I put the second color, and here in this first stitch, through this stitch pull yarn, and through this stitch and this chain stitch, and crochet first puff stitch between these two puff stitches, like every round. Chain 1. This yarn I will later sew on the back side. chain 1 and continue half double crochet, and I continue to the end of round, and then I show you how you can finish the work. It was my last round, last puff stitch. Now chain 1, cut yarn and pull yarn, and I will sew the last stitch. In this first stitch, through both loops from the front to the back. Now pull, and in this last stitch or chain stitch, through the back loop to the back, and this is the last stitch. Sew yarn on the back side, and the basket or bowl is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.